What could be causing my HP printer to print blank pages even though there is ink in the cartridges?
Hello everyone. Today we're tackling a common printer issue that can leave you scratching your head. Why is my HP printer printing blank pages even though there's ink in the cartridges? Let's dive into some possible causes and their solutions.
Are the ink cartridges installed correctly?
The first thing we need to check is the installation of the ink cartridges. Incorrect installation could lead to your printer producing blank pages. Make sure that they are securely and properly placed in their dedicated slots.
Is the printer nozzle clogged?
Next up, your printer's nozzle might be clogged. This happens when the printer is not used frequently and the ink dries up in the nozzle, blocking it. Running a nozzle cleaning utility in your printer software could help unclog it.
Are the printer cartridges empty or expired?
Though it may seem obvious, sometimes the cartridges, while seeming to contain ink, might actually be empty or the ink might have expired. Shaking the cartridges gently can give you a clue about the amount of ink left.
Is the printer software up to date?
Outdated printer software might be causing the issue. Update the printer software or drivers, as older versions may have bugs or compatibility issues causing such errors.
Is there an issue with the document file?
Finally, the issue could reside in the document you're trying to print. Errors in the file or incorrect print settings could result in blank pages. Try printing a different file or adjusting the print settings to check if that's the case. That wraps up our quick troubleshooting guide on how to fix the issue of your HP printer printing blank pages, even when there's ink in the cartridges. We hope you find this useful, and remember, a little patience goes a long way in solving tech issues. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks. Happy printing!